So you just got the dreaded transmission maintenance required code across your dash on your Ryker. Today I'm going to show you how to clear that using the DYNOJET PowerVision 3. What's up everyone, this is Bill with BLRTUNING. You guys know what time it is. I got a little quick video for you guys involving the DYNOJET PowerVision 3. You can see I'm out here at the Can-Am Ryker. So this is going to be specifically for the Can-Am Ryker. We're going to plug it into the Diagnostics Port. There you go, that's how you get the hood off. Okay, let's set this aside. You know, the Diagnostics Port is going to be right over here on your left hand side of the Ryker. Okay, and I'll show you that. Okay, so you can see the Diagnostics Port is right here, this black cap, and it's sitting on a piece of plastic. So you just slide backward. You can see that little tab right there. That's how it was sitting on there. Okay, right there. It's a little squeeze tab, so you squeeze this down, pull this black cap off, set the black cap aside, plug in your PowerVision 3. Which we have done here. You can see mine's mounted. You don't have to mount this. We are going to power on. Our key is on the bike. We're going to hit the power button once. We're going to roll the throttle forward to get it out of the safety mode. Okay, PowerVision is going to power on. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how you can clear your CVT transmission belt. So we do need to be on firmware version 4.8. I do have a video uploaded. I'll put a link in the description on how to update your firmware via email. So we're going to go down here to device tools, and then we can go to device information. And you can see there FW version 4.8. Okay, remember your bike is on a timer, so we do want to be, I'm going to move through this quickly, but if it powers off, just power it back up. Okay, so we're going to go down here to vehicle tools. We're going to go to diagnostics, and then you can see all the stuff you can do here. So active codes, historic codes, these would be codes that have been saved in the device showing you what kind of codes have came up. Clear codes, reset maintenance. Okay, so you can reset any maintenance codes. Reset belt life. So if that belt at 12,000 miles, you're going to get a transmission code that says you need to change your belt. You can reset that here after you've changed your belt. Or you can put it in dyno mode. Okay, so that is the diagnostics part of the PV3. Again, that's just under vehicle tools. So you use the up and down or scroll down. This big... I push the start button, there we go. So the enter button is going to be to move forward. Again, we're going to go to vehicle tools, diagnostics, and there you can see all the different stuff that you can do. Okay, reset maintenance, reset belt life. Okay, so you're going to hit that, you're going to let it do its thing, shut the bike down, pull the key off, let the bike shut down and reset, fire the bike back up, maintenance codes are gone, reset belt life is gone. Okay, anyways, this is a quick little video for you guys. That is the DYNOJET PowerVision 3. Okay, this is Bill with BLRTUNING. If you guys got a question about tuning work, feel free to reach out to me. We do offer custom tuning for these bikes or anything else running EFI and any kind of aftermarket fuel controller. So you can reach out to me through social media. I'll have a link in the description below to get a hold of me. You guys want me to get your Can-Am Ryker dialed in or any other EFI running vehicle that you have, reach out to us. This is what we do. You guys have a good one. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope this helps somebody out. Peace.